Hey guys, you're welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new here, you're also very much welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I deep condition my hair and I steam my hair in the process. But first I'll be showing you how I prepare my deep conditioner. So all you'll be needing is just some aloe vera, some eggs, some avocado, and some hair growth oil. Also, the amount you use depends on how full and how long your hair is. So first I'll be prepping my aloe vera. There's really nothing to this but to just cut it into half and just scoop out the juice. I have shown how to do this several times in my videos, so there's really no need to go through it again. So I'll just tell you the benefit of aloe vera. So aloe vera is one ingredient that I like to apply to my hair every time because this is really amazing for the hair. It is a great conditioner. It helps with hair growth. It also prevents itchiness and reduces dandruff. It adds shine to your hair. It moisturizes your hair and it helps your hair really grow. So I would advise you try and use aloe vera as much as you can in your hair routine. Your hair will actually love it. And the next thing I'll be using is avocado. Avocado is a great source of biotin, and we all know how important biotin is to not just the hair but the skin as well. So I love biotin. So avocado is really rich in biotin. It is also very rich in fatty acid. It nourishes the hair and strengthens the hair follicles, and it also provides shine and moisture. So that is another very important ingredient when it comes to hair. The next ingredient is my egg. So the egg is very rich in protein as well. It enhances hair elasticity, it adds shine to the hair, and it also improves the overall texture of your hair. So egg is another ingredient that's really rich in protein and is really good for deep conditioning. And then finally I added my hair growth oil, which I will link in the description box if you want to check it out. That hair growth oil is basically what it says it is. It helps your hair grow, and it is really rich in a lot of nutrients that your hair will absolutely love. So I advise you check it out. I'll put it in the description box. So once I have blended everything together, I will just go ahead and sieve it. I always say whenever you add anything to your hair, aloe vera, whatever, is good to sieve it just to take out the particles. No matter how tiny they are, it is important you take them out before you do the application. So here I am sieving it, and then yes, and the next stage will be for me to apply this to my hair. So you can see the little particles, even though they're so tiny, yes, they can still stick to your hair, and that will be really a nightmare taking them out. So it's now time for the application. So here is why you should deep condition your hair regularly. So regular deep conditioning will keep your hair healthy and hydrated, and when you also feed your hair the vital nutrients on a regular basis, you reduce the chances of your hair being damaged, and also it just strengthens the hair, it moisturizes the hair, it prevents breakage, it keeps your hair hydrated all the time. So I will advise you try and deep condition your hair as regularly as possible, especially if you're experiencing damage. Then you would need to deep condition your hair, and for maximum hydration we will take it to the next level and actually steam the hair, which I will be showing you in the next stage after I finish the application. So if you are, some people say no matter how much they moisturize their hair still feels dry after a few days. This is where steaming comes in. It is very important you steam your hair because steaming will help keep your hair hydrated for a longer period. So deep conditioning and steaming is a way of keeping your hair hydrated for a long time. So if your hair is damaged, your hair isn't healthy, I will advise you do this every 2 weeks if you've got the time. But if it's something that you're always busy, you can't, then try as much as possible to do this once a month. Yes, once a month is really important you do it. That is the minimum I would say you should go without deep conditioning. Even if you can't steam your hair, it is important you deep condition it at least once a month. you would see a lot of difference to your hair. If your hair is regularly dry, then this is what you need to keep your hair moisturized for a longer period. So I've just finished applying this to one side of my hair. I'll just repeat the process to the other part of the hair. It's just pretty much straightforward. Just keep applying till everywhere is well covered with the deep conditioner, and then I'll just put it in a little knot and then go to the next one. So once I've finished that, rather, I will just go ahead and steam the hair. So I'll just allow you enjoy the rest of the video. If you've watched till this stage and you are not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and when you do that, please remember to click on that notification bell, because that is the only way you will know when I have posted new content. So please do subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and also share this video to anyone you think will find it useful. So now I'll be steaming the hair for just 20 minutes. I'm just checking to make sure my hair is actually inside the steamer, which the back isn't, but I try to keep turning my hair to different directions so that I make sure the hair, every part of the hair got the steam. So yeah, if you can do this every once a month, you can, your hair will actually love it. If you can actually do that every 2 weeks, then yes, that would be good, especially if your hair is experiencing damage. So even if you don't have a hair steamer and you just want to steam your hair, you could just wet a towel, put it in the microwave, and just wear a shower cap and put it over your head. That really works as well. Sometimes when I'm lazy to set up the hair steamer, I just use a towel in microwave. So if you want to see how that process of using the towel to steam your hair, leave me a comment. I will film myself steaming with a towel, and then I will show you guys how I do it. But it's pretty much straightforward. Just soak a towel, put it in the microwave for it to get reasonably hot, not so hot that it will burn you, and then you wear a shower cap and use it over the shower cap. It keeps your hair, it steams your hair as well. So yeah, I will do this for 20 minutes and then I'll go ahead and rinse it. When you do this, you will definitely see a difference. Not only will your hair be healthy, you could feel how soft your hair is. Your hair becomes really soft. This is really something I would recommend. So yeah, so I've been in for 20 minutes, then I'll just go ahead and rinse it, and that's it, guys. That's basically it. And yeah, you can go ahead and style your hair like you usually would. This is my hair after I've rinsed out all the products, and my hair feels really soft. My hair is well hydrated. I haven't even used any product at this stage, but it feels like yeah, my hair is already hydrated. So I'll just do my normal routine, and that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Like I said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done that, share this video as well, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.